Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So today I want to try something from Mixed Chicks, which you guys know the leave-in conditioner is my favorite product, I'd have to say, for my curly hair. Although the last video might have taken its place. But anyway, Mixed Chicks had sent me a bunch of stuff. I feel so lucky. But this is one I've been wanting to try as well. This is their straightening serum, and this is for people who have curly hair like us. So, straightening serum, blow, style, and set it straight. Temporarily smooth and straighten naturally curly, frizzy, or relaxed hair with our humidity-resistant formula that cuts drying time in half and creates a sleek look. This is also a thermal protectant, so if you are using a straight brush and then you're going to flat iron, this will help protect it. I, however, am going to use my Plavogue straightener, brush dryer, whatever you want to call it. So let's just get into this and get going. Okay, it just says apply evenly through damp hair. It's not as liquidy as I thought. I can't really show you without spilling it, to be honest, but it's a thick liquid, I'll say that. Like sometimes serums are just like basically an oil. This is more than an oil. This has a bit more of a jellier consistency to it, but definitely like it'll just pour right down my hand. And I don't want to put too much. Actually, I have to be careful when I'm doing it. I forgot I'm straightening my hair, because I usually don't put too much product in my hair when I straighten it. I probably put more than I would have liked right now, but that's okay. Okay. Oh. Forgot I'm straightening my hair. Actually, I gotta get more tools just to put my hair back. I like to start with the back so I don't have like a line down the center if I do just half and half. Dun, dun, dun. Now I gotta go get tools. I'm just gonna use scrunchies. I'm not doing this like perfect because, you know, this is, you know, my reviews are more for like the everyday. Although sometimes I guess I could do something if you have more. Look at this ponytail turned into a ponytail. I feel like a little girl. Should I do the same on the other side just for fun? No, we won't. A bit silly, yes, but helpful. So, let's get on with the back. I'll do this in the usual quicker motion. I don't mean to laugh. I just saw myself, and I don't know if you guys used to watch In Living Color with Jim Carrey when he used to play like, who was that character? Just play like a little girl. That's who I feel like right now. Okay. Here we go. Okay, hair is styled and dried and straight. So it came out really good, right? My hair definitely feels, it still feels thick, which is nice because it's full. Yeah, came out really good. I'll also put the link to the Plavogue, am I saying it right? I hope so. Dryer in, and I have, since I have some layers, I have a nice little shape here and there, you know, little flips of curls. So I'm probably going to keep this hair for a couple days, I'm going to be honest with you, because I got a lot of stuff to do in the next couple of days, and having the straight hair will definitely save me some time. So that's the plan, and that's it. So I will get on with the day, and I'm going to show you guys tomorrow's hair, and maybe I'll show you tonight too. I'll show you tomorrow. That's what I'll do. This worked out really nice. So I'm gonna go for now, but you'll see me in the rest of the video. So until then, talk to you later. Hey guys, okay, it's the next day. You could see my hair. I didn't even have to use the Plavogue again. I normally would if I feel like I want to fix it more. I'm really not going anywhere fancy, so I'm okay with the way it came out. All I did was put a little more of the Mixed Chicks, same thing I used yesterday, because I was looking for a serum and I couldn't find serum, and that worked just fine. Like an oil, but this, look, it's still fine. My hair still looks good. It's hard to see because the color, I'm wearing black, but just want to show you. I am gonna go. I will catch you in a bit. Is it hard to see? But it's really, I like the product, definitely, very much. So Mixed Chicks can be for curly and straight hair. Hi guys, hair is back. It's not about the hair anymore, but look where we are. And guess what we're doing? You never got to see the apartment, because why? We're moving out. Here. I told them about slumlords. No, you don't. I do. It was a cute apartment, but so many issues. They haven't had heat since a month now, the day they moved in, and the landlord wasn't going to pay us the refund because they're weird. Okay, so I look horrible, but I'm packing and packing, and I'm going to see you guys later. I'm going to close this. I'm going to close it. Look, this is about, you see my hair is nice. I straighten my, I know, I have to, the light, have I not seen you in that long? I'm gonna go lighter again. But, yeah, well, I used the product.
I think it's darker than my hair.
It is. It's crazy. I gotta go back. Too dark, too dark.
It's very straight.
I shouldn't even realize my hair's straight. All right, guys, until the next video, I'll see you then. I'm gonna go. I got a lot of work to do, and...
I can't even hear you.
Say bye.
Bye.
Where's Alina? Oh, what a shame. 2 weeks ago you were unpacking, today you're packing.
I'm depressed.
But we're gonna find, if anybody knows of a nice apartment for rent, Jersey City area. Okay, talk to you later. Bye guys.